So I need an answer to something, and I need somebody smarter than me to figure it out. But you hear a lot of flat earthers like this guy talk about how airplanes prove a flat earth because they don't have to point the nose down. So I've had the privilege of being able to fly a plane twice in my life as random gifts. And I understand how planes work and aerodynamics work. And in a class in high school, I built a little styrofoam airplane and just attached a motor, and we were supposed to do it on something, but I just let it go and run free with a 9-volt battery. And I have no idea who that probably crashed into, but it was a little styrofoam plane, and it was kind of fun to just let that thing wander off. But airplane wings are what cause the lift. The elevator does definitely help with climbing, but the wing itself causes lift, right? So the thought that I have is, like, if we look at the ISS, it's at 27,000 kilometers per hour, which is, 17,000 miles per hour. And it's 436 kilometers high, which is like 270 miles. So as globe earthers, it's falling towards Earth, but it's going fast enough that it's really just falling around Earth the whole time. Now with airplanes, the Boeing 747 travels at 580 miles per hour with a cruising altitude of 35,000. So as we all know from commercial flights, they typically are in the 550, 580 miles per hour range, and that 30 to 35,000 feet. Is it not just so flat earthers say they have to they don't point the nose down, they're not constantly pointing down to go around the globe, they point it up at a 3-degree angle. But my thought is, could it not be that the plane is also constantly falling down towards Earth with that speed? Because with the way a wing works, I feel like if you just throttled up, let's say you were cruising at 747, cruising at 580 miles per hour, and it just throttled up, because of the way a wing functions, wouldn't it climb to a higher altitude just from throttling up with the wings without messing with everything else? Same with throttling down. We all know that if a plane slows down, it's going to fall out of the sky. So yeah, I don't know enough about gyroscopes to understand, because I know they have gyroscopes in a plane to help with navigation. Is that not how a plane would function? And isn't, maybe at 30,000 feet, 580 miles per hour is the constant falling but maintaining altitude speed? Maybe somebody smarter than that can help me. Thanks. I didn't know we measured altitude in Mach speeds now.